Hi, this is Izzy and welcome to my channel. Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my very first YouTube tutorial. And friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon on the top right corner. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik cube. But in order to solve a Rubik cube, you have to learn the basics. The first thing you need to know is what algorithms are. Algorithms are basically step-by-step instructions. The second thing you need to know is what color is opposite what. So orange is opposite of red, green is opposite of blue, and yellow is opposite of white. Let's get on with solving the Rubik cube. Now I will be mixing this up. Okay friends, now I will be showing you how to solve a Rubik cube. The first method to solve the Rubik cube is the daisy. The daisy method is just the 4 white edges surrounding the yellow centerpiece. For instance, we have one over here. We have to move it so that it goes here. So what you want to do is move your front side anti-clockwise, then your left side up. Then you have one more to put over here, which is over here. So what you want to do is move this part up and move this right side up. Now you have to move all these white edges to the white center, but first you have to move green to the green centerpiece, then you line it up, then blue with the blue centerpiece, then line it up, then orange with the orange centerpiece, line it up, then red with the red centerpiece, line it up. So now we have the white cross. The next step is to insert all of the 4 white corners. So this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. As you can see, this is incorrect. But why? It's incorrect because it's not matching with its centerpiece. Because orange is not matching with its orange centerpiece. Blue is not matching with its blue centerpiece. So what you want to do is move this with this algorithm. Upside left, right side up, upside right, right side down. Then this piece will be above. Then you move it to the orange and blue centerpiece. Here's the orange and blue centerpiece. So move it here. But then you have to insert it over here. But how do you do that? You do that with this algorithm. Up, upside left, downside down, right side down, and this up. Now this piece, white, blue and red. As you can see, it's in the right column, but it has to be inserted over here. So you want to do this, but then you missed your white edge piece. So block it so it's over here, then back to its formation. So blue back to white cross. As you can see, we got 2 corners into its correct place. Now we have to do the other 2. Now this has to be inserted over here, but it's at the top. This is where there can be lots of consequences. So what you want to do is do this algorithm. Right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right, and then again right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right, then once more right up, up left, right down, and it's inserted. Now we do it the same with this. Right side up, upside left, right side down, and that. Then you do it again. Right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Then then 2 times more. Right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Then again, up, right, left. Now that is inserted, and so is all the others. Now you have to focus on the second layer. So you have to insert the blue and orange piece to the blue and orange centerpiece. So you're going to be using this algorithm: downside to the left, right side down, downside to the left, and right side up. Then you have to use the same blocking algorithm which I showed you earlier. Move it, but you've messed it up. Then you block these 3 whites, then this back up and this here. Now you do red and make a T with it. Then red and blue has to be with red and blue. Then you do the same algorithm: downside left, right side up, down, downside right. Then turn it back. Then use the blocking formation again. So that block these 2 back into its position, and this back as well. Now you do orange and green with orange and green. So the same algorithm again: downside left, right side down, downside right. Then do the blocking formation again. So white with white, 3 in a row, block it, then the 2 whites with the other 4, and the 3 whites with the other 6. Now we've got 1 more to insert, but using the opposite way around. So downside right, left side down, downside left, and left side up. Then use the blocking formation again. Move 3, 3, block it, 2 with 4, and 3 with a 6. Now we've done that. Now we move on to this other strategy or method. It's called the yellow cross, where you have to match all the yellow edges over here. For instance, we've got this L sort of looking shape. So you're going to be using the algorithm which I taught you, but a bit different. So you want to move your front face to the right, then right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Then again, right side up, upside left, right side down, and upside right. Then you move your 3 white pieces back to its face. Now you've got the yellow cross. There are 3 other possibilities with how the edge pieces could be. So your possibility could be like this, just a yellow straight line, but you have to use the algorithm which I've taught you before. So the same one, right side clockwise, right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Then move this back to its 3. Then you have the yellow cross. This would be another possibility, and I will show you how to make the yellow cross with the algorithm. So front face clockwise, right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Then move these 3 back to its face. Then you've got this L. Then you use the thing that I've taught you again, the algorithm, and do it 2 times. So turn your front face clockwise, then right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Right side up, upside left, right side down, and upside left. Then move these 3 back to its face again. Then you've got the yellow cross. Now, since you've got the yellow cross, you will have to match the pieces with the centerpiece. So you have to move the green one to the green centerpiece and the orange one to the orange centerpiece. But if you have to do it by holding your cube like this, so green has to go here and orange has to go here, and you do this algorithm: right side up, upside left, right side down, upside left, right side up, upside 2 times left, and back down. Then you move it left again. Now you've got orange with orange, green with green, red with red, and blue with blue. Now the next step is to move all 4 corners to its correct position. As you can see, this corner is in its correct place, because if you turn it, yellow would be with yellow, red would be with red, green would be with green. But these 3 aren't in its correct place, so we will use this algorithm. The algorithm is upside left, right side up, upside right, left side up, upside left, right side down, left, upside right, and left side down. Then we do it again because these 3 corners are still not in the correct position. So we do it again. Upside left, right side up, upside right, left side up, right, upside left, right side down, upside right, and left side down. As you can see, all 4 of these corners are in the correct place. But now you have to turn them. So you will have to use this algorithm. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right, until yellow is with the yellow centerpiece, red is with the red centerpiece, and green is with the green centerpiece. Now you move your upside left so that this corner is over here. Now you do the algorithm again. Right side down, upside left, bottom left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, and bottom to the right. And one more time. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, and bottom to the right. Then this. Now you have to solve these two using the same algorithm. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right, until yellow is with yellow and orange is with orange and blue is with blue. Now move this corner left so that you are going to move this now. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. One more time. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. And you know what to do now. And you solved it. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a comment down below. Viewers, see you in my next video. Peace.